The more you talk, the better, yes. But the question is, how sure are you that you're even saying the right things to the right people? Do you even have a marketing budget? This is the very last video you are ever going to watch on marketing. So many creators, entrepreneurs, and business owners feel completely overwhelmed by marketing. What platforms should you use? How often should you post? How do you even get people to notice you, let alone buy from you? By the end of this video, you will not only understand marketing, but you'll be excited to promote your products and services. We are not holding back anything. We are breaking down everything step by step. So let's get right into it. Set your marketing goals. The very first thing to do is to set your marketing goals. Every successful marketing plan starts with this. How do you create goals that actually work? By simply setting your sales target, deciding the platform you are going to be on, how frequently you are going to be posting, and the type of content you are going to be posting there. I just love how this reduces the overwhelm of not knowing where to start. Now, on sales targets, I like to divide it into large targets and small targets. Your large target is how much you want to generate from this particular product. Your small target is your daily target. Now, keep the large target somewhere in your mind. What you should be working with is your daily target. It keeps you on your toes. It could be to make at least one sale a day, depending on the price of your product. Let's say you want to generate 3 million in a month and the price of your product is 100,000 naira. Then you need to sell at least 30 units of that product. That is to make one sale a day. Until you get that one person, you don't stop marketing. You use all resources available. If you don't hit your target in a particular day, double down the next day. Marketing is not about perfection or getting it right all the time. It's about persistence. Next is decide your marketing platform. For me, I like to market on all my active platforms: Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, LinkedIn. The more widespread, the better for me. I've had people DM me from the most unexpected platforms. That is platforms I'm still growing on, my LinkedIn and Instagram, telling me that they want to join my programs. Imagine I was not posting there. Well, many advocate for researching your audience and identifying the exact platforms they are on. Like they say, LinkedIn is for professionals, Instagram is for creators, Facebook is for business owners. I don't really believe that 100%. Why? Because all of these people are on all these platforms. If we classify it too tightly like this, then who are those on Twitter and Snapchat? So start with platforms where you already have traction and go from there. You don't have to struggle too much migrating to a new platform and starting afresh. Just start with a platform where you know you'd consistently show up on. Now let's talk about content strategy. Consistency is everything in marketing. The more you talk, the better. But now the popular question is, how do I approach content creation without burning out? You don't stick to one type of content. You do a mix and match of value-filled posts, engaging videos, storytelling, Q&As, posts. That's how you diversify everything so you don't get bored. You don't have to post fresh content ideas each day. You can always repurpose your content. Turn one piece of content into multiple formats. For instance, a YouTube video becomes an Instagram reel, a Facebook post, or an email for people on your email list. Post consistently. If you want to have 100 leads a day, then you have to show up every day. Not 3 times a week, not 2 times a week, every day. I also encourage you to do at least one video content a day. Making video content really helped me when I was selling high ticket programs. I was guaranteed to get at least one person each day. It could be a talking head video of you sharing very important information, or a B-roll video of you doing anything in your day and putting text and music over it, or even use voiceovers. B-rolls are not that hard. It's basically you recording yourself doing anything. Like I said, this works really well for me when I was marketing my membership. It got to a point where it seemed like text was no longer doing anything for me. Boom, I switched to video and sales started coming in. So decide the kind of content you want to produce. So that's the first step. Target platforms and content. You now know that once you wake up, I should send this particular post to this platform at a certain time. You know exactly what you are doing. The second step is to build your lead generation funnel. A marketing system ensures that you are not just working hard or working smart. Let's break down your funnel. It should attract, engage, and convert. How do you attract? By posting. Creating awareness through ads, posts, and collaborations. How do you engage your audience? By offering free value through guides, checklists, and webinars. How do you contact them? By nurturing your audience with consistent follow-up posts until they are ready to buy. This is why it's important for you to show up every day and to also have an email list. You can start with MailChimp. Next, completely remove guesswork and hope from your marketing strategy. Guesswork kills marketing success. Just let the numbers you're already seeing guide you. Let the data you see help you make decisions. I talked about this on my last video on the 7 mistakes to avoid if you want to make money online fast. The numbers you are seeing are your reality. They are your results, and they will not magically grow if you go to sleep and do nothing. So hope is not a strategy. Track key metrics like your engagement, your click-through rates, your conversion rates. Experiment and optimize. If something is not working, feel free to tweak it and try it out again. Facebook ads have A/B testing feature where you can test different headlines, visuals, and CTAs for the same product. Use that to find out what resonates with your audience. Now, when on lead generation funnel, you also want to note what worked for you in the past. That is, if you've marketed before, you may have sold at least one or two products. What steps did you take exactly to get those people? It's important to go down memory lane, scroll down your profile, and find out exactly the things you did that made those people make payments. This is because they work and you've been incorporating them once again in your marketing strategy. Now that we are done with creating your marketing goals and your lead generation funnel, I now want to go to the third step, that is sharing the proven marketing strategies that I've used and worked for me over time. Number one is first thing promotion. Here, you pick a reward for people who join first within the next 24 hours. Let's say they are getting hair. Your complementary product can be a hair straightener or a hot comb. And you want to announce this early and talk about it every day. Oh, if you join within the next 24 hours, you're also going to be getting a hair straightener or a hot comb, hair oil. So people know and prepare their money in advance. It is not something that you announce 2 days to launch day. Yes, you might make some sales, but it's not going to be as much as you would have if you started early. Two is webinars. I like to do WhatsApp status webinars. I pick a topic, talk about it in say 10 or 15 slides, present my offer, have people ask me questions, repost their questions with my answers, and close deals. Now, if you want to replicate WhatsApp status webinars, you need to learn how to create engaging slides, right? You don't post 15 boring slides and expect them to follow through to the end. You have to create engaging slides. Next is review promotion. Social proof is everything. Share testimonials and client success stories. If you don't have results, use your own story, how you overcame a problem or achieved success. Next is influencer marketing. Influencer marketing is not just for big brands. It's also for creators and small business owners. You can go for micro influencers who align with your audience and can generate results. Look for influencers in your niche. Offer them value in return, whether it's money, free products, or a collaboration opportunity. Then you have them talk about you or your offer. We also have behind the scenes promotion. Look, people want to know more about your life. Use behind the scenes to promote your offers. This is you recording yourself exercising, running errands, cleaning your room, meeting with friends, or anything that you know people would love to see. Next is paid advertising. You can leverage Facebook ads, YouTube ads, Instagram ads, Twitter ads, almost virtually all platforms have ads now. You need to learn how to run these ads so you don't waste your money, or hire professionals to target the right audience for you. Another strategy that works and people love so much is freebie marketing. Create an irresistible offer. People love free stuff, especially if it solves a real problem. That is the fastest way to gaining expertise in people's minds. You can do a free checklist, a mastermind, a challenge, or even an exclusive masterclass. Use it to build your email list, your WhatsApp status views, or whatever list you want to do. Your freebie should be a quick one that makes people come back for more. Quick but valuable. Next is Q&A marketing, question and answer. Here, what you do is basically connect with your audience by having them ask you questions or tell you anything about their day. How you can effectively use this is to find a way to incorporate your product as an answer to their questions. Next is this or that marketing. This is just to intentionally involve them in your promotion so they feel like they are part of it. Asking them to help you choose flyer designs, book cover designs, the photo to use, the dress to wear, etc. Next is meme marketing. I don't use this a lot, but it works from results of others. You use funny memes to explain the state of your product or the state of your target audience. You can also use third-party marketing. Here you use affiliate marketers to get them working really hard for you. Consider giving them very big commission. Next is participant announcement. Here you happily announce participants as they join. Oh, this person has joined. Welcome to the training, or thank you for buying this service. It is an added advantage if the person is a public figure or a popular figure, because their participation alone can draw more people. So don't let the leads that can come through them slip off your fingers. Now, if they are not public figures, all you have to do is to talk about them or their products in a way that makes others who want you to also talk about them or their products that way for visibility. Next is countdown marketing. This announces scarcity or urgency. Adding the fear of missing out. 3 spots left. Offer ends in exactly 24 hours, 6 hours to go. One thing you should know here is to always be honest with scarcity. Never fake scarcity. Build trust. Now, step number 4, set your marketing budget. Marketing is not an expense, it's an investment. To budget effectively, you even want to invest a portion of your revenue into your marketing. It's the fastest way to scale, honestly. If you want to make a lot of sales, you have to budget for marketing. It's not something you do alone. Depending on the nature of what I'm marketing, I usually set aside at least 100k. This is for photo shoots, graphic design, updating my subscription plans, running ads, anything that comes up, anything could come up. As I market and make more sales, I still allocate more budget to marketing. So you must have a marketing budget. If you want to use influencers, of course, you'd have to pay them. You'd have to pay your video editors, your models, if you're using models, voiceover artists, graphic designers, and so on. So set money aside for marketing. After you've successfully sold the product, put some money aside for the next product what you are going to launch. That's your marketing budget. Don't use all your funds. They are not for you. You are a business, operate as one. Now, step 5. I like to call this the 3 R's: review, refine, and repeat. This is where you identify the things you did that were a total waste of time and those that really brought results. Regularly review your strategies and improve on them. What is working for you? Double down on it. Now, the mistake a lot of people make is they give up too quickly. How will you know what works if you try once and just give up? After you've identified these things, eliminate what is wasting time and resources. Be on the lookout for when marketing trends and platforms change and adapt. Marketing is never a one and done process. You constantly update and refine your strategies. Earlier in this video, I talked about how you should completely remove guesswork from a marketing strategy and how you should let the numbers you are already seeing guide you. If you want to learn more about the mistakes you could be making that are stopping you from making money fast, then you want to watch this video right here, where I talked about the 7 compulsory things to avoid to make money online fast. Don't forget, the numbers are the reality. Now, thank you so much for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for even better videos on how you can monetize online. I'll see you in this video.